Gerald.
But what people call you?
GETHO people.
Okay, GETHO people's in the house. This Sunday, well, today is Haitian Mother's Day, and we are going to do a video. I'm gonna do my mom's makeup. We're gonna go to a Haitian, what is it, dinner?
Dinner, Mother's Day.
We're gonna do a Mother's Day dinner because Mother's Day is the last Sunday of May. So we're here to rep the Haitian mommies in the house. Stay tuned if you want to watch the rest of this video.
I'm all excited for that day. Sunday,
Haitian Mother's Day.
Let's do it, baby.
Okie doke. We're gonna use the palette that I used in my previous video, the MAKEUPSHAYLA, you know, perception.
They're all great colors. Check it out.
Because you know what? Since you're wearing green and white, your eyes need to pop, you know?
So what would you think?
I'm thinking like maybe we could do like some gold, maybe a little bit of copper, you know, for
To lift it up?
To lift it up.
Okay.
To bring out the green and the white, you know?
Go ahead, my dear.
Yeah, I know you know. Orange is your favorite color, olive green, gold.
Yes, they're all my colors.
They're all your colors. And my mom, she doesn't like when I do her makeup for that long. I have to be quick. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, I don't have no patience. Bear with me.
So I'm gonna just keep it real simple. This could be all for the rest of the mommies out there that's watching this video, you know. And I'm using a flat top brush. You want to make sure that you're swapping it down and doing like a little tap tap, and then all you gotta do is a little pop pop pop, you know. Sometimes when you say it, you know, it helps you do what you gotta do, so you know.
So I will well and I feel it in my eyes.
Pop pop motion. I'm gonna layer this gold so that it shows a lot. You guys, my mom, she's like the sweetest woman I know.
Thank you.
Yes, very beautiful, very smart. She's her own boss, okay? La fait gros bagay.
Why? But not you too, but
Right? After we do some gold, you want that one? Okay. So she wants thick. What you know about thick?
and I'm kind of thick.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm taking thick, which is like a nice orange color here, and I'm just gonna put it on her crease. My mother never wears makeup, only when she goes out, and if she does a little powder, and she still looks good. Cause how old are you?
Hello, 58.
58, and you look damn good.
Is it 58 or 59?
Oh.
I do forget sometimes.
Let's do the math.
56, 59.
59.
Yes, I know.
Oh, the big 60 is
The big
next.
60 is coming next year. Do you believe that? Do I look sexy for my age?
Yes, you do. Okay. You look damn good. Okay. See, this is what I'm gonna look like when I turn 60. You know, so I don't got nothing to worry about. Honestly, anyone could do this look, golden orange. You can't go wrong with golden orange. Gold here, orange on the lid, you're done. So we're gonna jump to the face. My mom doesn't usually wear foundation, but she usually just does a MAC, you know, powder. But because, you know, we're going to a Mother's Day dinner, I recommend Fenty Beauty for everyone, okay? Especially women of color. If you're black, Rihanna. I know you guys know Rihanna. This foundation is bomb, okay? It's gonna give you the flawless finish. This is in the shade 390. This is a full coverage foundation.
She's gonna use her brush. Papa. Just wait. Be patient. There you go. Papa.
This is the sponge. She sees me using this every morning. This is the motion. This, you can get this at Dwayne Reed, CVS.
Make sure they wet it first.
Yes. Oh, look at you.
I'm taking notes.
Yes, you have to make sure you wet it first. It can't be dry. You have to make sure that it's literally doing this. If it's not doing this and it's getting stuck,
it's not ready.
it's not ready and it's not the right blender. The Real Techniques one, I recommend that one as like a cheap alternative than the beauty blender from Sephora. A beauty blender from Sephora, I think it's $20. I honestly never bought it before because I'm like, I'm not spending $20 on a sponge. That just sounds ridiculous. You know, just to make sure that everything is blended, you're gonna bring it all the way down to your neck. So we done with the foundation. The next one we're gonna do is concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is very inexpensive. You could get this at any beauty supply store. When she sees me do this part, she thinks it's way too much makeup. But you know, if you want the face to be snatched, beat. That's what they call it, mommy. Beat.
Okay, beat.
Yeah, like I want my face beat, you know, not beat like beat you. You know.
I'm in school tonight.
I'm gonna just go ahead and blend it all out. The pat motion.
Don't forget that.
Concealer is good when you're tired. I know all you moms and you know older people, you just like to get some powder and go whoosh whoosh. Sometimes you know if you're tired, you gotta put a little concealer under the eyes. You know, leve ko.
Réveillez-vous.
Yes, suke ko. Yes. I'm speaking more Creole than my mom, you know. I'm learning. I'm going to Haiti this summer, you know. So I gotta make sure I can speak to my people.
That's right. Show them who you are.
Yes.
You got a little cerveau là.
Yes. What does that mean?
Don't mess up with me.
Oh, don't mess with me, okay? You just set the areas where you put concealer. And you want to make sure that you set under your eyes right away. So this way your concealer doesn't crease. So I set under her eyes with the concealer. It looks a little bit, you know, white. Looks a little bit washed out. So when you do that, you want to grab your face powder. So I'm gonna grab her MAC powder that she always uses. So I'm pretty sure you guys all have that face powder that you guys like to use. She always uses this. I see people use this all the time, go like this. No, this goes away. You only want to carry this if you are in the bathroom or if you're going somewhere quick, you need to do a little pop pop. But to do your makeup, your face, no. This is no bueno, okay? You need to get yourself a powdered brush. Any fluffy brush, any big brush you could use. And you just want to pat everywhere throughout the whole entire face.
You remind me now to use I have one like that instead of using this.
Yeah, once you use the brush, you know, you just do a couple twirls and you do a little pat pat, you get more coverage.
I'm getting some tips.
Yes.
For my dear daughter.
I'm gonna go ahead and contour those cheeks, and I'm gonna do it around the areas that I highlight. I'm gonna do under by the jawline. See, now look, your face is a little bit more warmed up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Right.
You gotta talk to the people and tell them you're Haitian. You gotta show them your Haitian ways, because everybody knows Brenda has a Haitian mother and she makes good macaroni. All my friends love my mom's macaroni. It's the bomb.
It's the bomb.
Okay.
That's my specialty.
And I'm gonna spray your face. You ready?
Yes.
You wanna bathe in the spray.
I took a shower?
Yeah, showered a little bit.
Next. Hello. GETHO people in town. Now the chick, oh, those colors are great. Oh, there go my colors.
This is the Morphe blush palette. This is 9B. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and mix this color with this bright. And I do this in a pop pop motion too. Oh, look at you, you know the techniques. Who taught you this?
Nobody. Yeah, you learn it, you get it.
It's got it right on the spot. Alright, now we're gonna go to my favorite part. I'm gonna use the MAKEUPSHAYLA highlight. Oh, me bagayo.
Suavemente.
Yeah.
Suavemente, ben sabe.
on the nose. The nose, I like to use my own finger, so you can control how much you're putting on. You see that one little dot? It's a lot. What is your favorite part in makeup? The lips?
Yeah.
Yeah, the lips is her favorite part. I'm gonna use this brown Kiss lip liner. How does it feel to have daughters? I have an older sister too, by the way.
Yeah.
How does it feel to have...
We used to have a brother in the house.
Oh, yes.
Put it between the 3 girls, that will make the whole family complete.
Yes.
But a brother, nothing like a brother.
Yes, my mom has brothers. She has one sister. 2?
Yeah.
2 sisters. Really?
Yeah.
Who's the second one?
Danny. She came She came here once. You don't know her. You haven't met her.
Okay, when you Haitian, you have aunts that you don't even know about. Okay, who is that? I don't know her. Okay, I just know one. But for the most part, I know the brothers, my uncles. So I got fit. This is like a nice pink color. It's from Zoeva Cosmetics. It's in the shade of All Is Calm. It's a nice mauve pink color. So my mom, she doesn't like to wear eyeliner or mascara. I can't put mascara on you. It's gonna pop the eyes.
I don't need that, sweetheart. I don't want. I'm done. If you did the eye, you did the eyebrow. No, those. In case I have to rub my eyes, I don't want to mess up my makeup. That's the purpose that I don't want to wear it. Thank you.
You see what she says? I'm gonna put a little bit of color in the in-between corners of her eyes, so this way her eye pops. I feel like I always do this for my makeup all the time. Yeah. See how it look pops? You don't like it?
I don't think I like it. No, I don't like it. It feels like I have this Jimmy Bunny Roy.
She said look like her eyes is dirty. What mother says is where mother goes.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
So you want me to take it off?
Yeah, take it off.
She don't like it. I don't like it. Pointed in my eyes.
Inside that, everything turned out good.
Okay, I'm gonna cancel it out with the concealer. So if you don't like something, you cancel it out with the concealer.
Alright, I cancel it out.
Okay? And then you get a Q-tip and you just remove that.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't want no pointy thing on my corner eyes.
Okay, ducks, because it's Mother's Day, so she's gonna have it her way, okay?
Hello, ladies, gentlemen. This is the look of my daughter. She did a great job. I'm very pleased with it. So let's enjoy it. Make your appointment with Brenda Lubin for you can be somebody else.
And so you can slay.
You can slay. Oh, I forgot about that. Let's put the words, apply the words.
Yes.
Slay. GETHO people, beautiful.
Bye-bye. Hope you guys liked my video with my mom. Happy Mother's Day to all the Haitian moms out there. And how do you say Happy Mother's Day in Creole?
Bonne fête des mères.
Oh, bonne fête des mères. Yeah. So if you like my video, please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Give this video a thumbs up.
Ciao.
Ciao.